Hello, my name is Mohammed. I come from a big, warm family in Cairo, Egypt, but these days I call Dubai home. I moved here about 3 years ago to work as a software developer, and honestly, it's been one of the best decisions of my life. The city is so multicultural that you hear 5 different languages just walking to the metro, and that really pushed me to take my English seriously. I've been learning English on and off since school, but I only got really serious about it 5 years ago, when I realized I needed it not just to pass exams, but to build the life I wanted. My daily routine is pretty simple. I wake up early, make a strong cup of Egyptian coffee, and spend at least 20 minutes reading something in English. Maybe a news article, a chapter from a novel, or a blog post about tech. While I get ready for work, I usually play an English podcast in the background. I don't always understand every word, but I've learned that just letting the sounds wash over me helps my ear get used to the rhythm of the language. At work, I speak a mix of Arabic and English with my colleagues. We have team members from India,